होती ना 250 ग्राम बिरयानी ले लो यार पे 2 बोटी एक्स्ट्रा 2 गुलाब जामुन भी
You know, we told you guys कि हमने अपनी फिल्म पुश की है क्योंकि you know we need some days for a great marketing idea that we had and we are very excited. I'm sure you guys have already guessed क्या है. So yeah, we are here today, Aditya and I, to announce कि हम लोग एक food यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं. Road trip के आसपास ही है. Of course, we are leaving from Bombay and we are going all the way to Chandigarh on a food यात्रा जहाँ पे हम लोग किसी भी दिन जहाँ पर भी हैं based on your suggestions, जो special चीजें हैं खाने के लिए that we will be trying. So we are going all over India.
And more than promotions
food.
for Parineeti and me, I think it's a childhood dream that we're getting to live for free, for in the name of promotions for the film. I think we're both really big foodies, and there's nothing better I could ask for than just being paid to go and eat everywhere in our country. So that's we're very excited about it.
Yeah, we are excited, but the marketing team is not telling us exactly where they are taking us. We know a few cities, of course. We know that we are going to Ahmedabad, we're going to Surat, we're going to Delhi. Agra is there. So there are many, many cities that we are visiting by road. So हम लोग गाड़ी से निकलने वाले हैं और पता नहीं कितने दिन लगने वाले हैं हमें खत्म करने के लिए.
Correct.
But जब तक नहीं होता, we will keep going. And we on Twitter, social media, through you guys, we're going to ask people to tell us where we should go. So, supposing हम Bombay से शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो we will ask you guys to tell us where we should go and eat. The best vada pav, the best ice cream, the best lassi, the best whatever. And based on you guys, we will go.
Yeah, and we're also going to be tracked throughout this whole trip. So anytime you guys want to, anyone wants to know where we are. Exactly, you guys can track us, which is very interesting and scary at the same time.
Which is very scary because it's not like we can say हम लोग Delhi में और हम कहीं और होंगे. So we are going to be tracked on dawat-e-ishq.com. So anytime you can just go online and say आज आदित्य और परिणीति कहाँ हैं, and we can. Also, we are not really announcing where we are coming, so we'll just show up and start eating. So if you see us around, don't be surprised.
But actually the key to the whole thing is getting people to help us plan the trip because we don't know these places as well as obviously the people that are from there. So maybe later also we're going to be asking some of you guys if you're from any of the places that we're going to suggest something for us. We're starting off at Cafe Madras.
Yeah, right? We know the start and end point, that's for sure. But the rest, you'll have to contact YRF marketing team. You all know them. They're not telling us anything. They're just saying, keep quiet, pack your bags and go. So, Cafe Madras is the first one. We've heard a lot about it and we obviously want to start early in the morning. So we said, best breakfast place in Bombay kahan hai? So we are starting in Matunga. So you all are invited. Please come, eat with us. We are only eating for the next few days.
This is going to be
a crazy
tough
trip.
job.
This film has been very tough for us in many ways.
As you can see. Okay.
मैम फिल्म के ट्रेलर तो बहुत अच्छे हैं. इट लुक्स लाइक अ फन लविंग फिल्म. ये बताइए कि शूटिंग के टाइम पे आपको कितना मजा आया? व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
My name is not ma'am.
Please call me परिणीति. But बहुत मजा आया यार. Of course शूटिंग करने से पहले ही हमें पता था कि बहुत सारा खाना होने वाला है सेट पे सीन्स में क्योंकि लिखा हुआ था स्क्रिप्ट में कि इस सीन में बिरयानी है, इस सीन में शाही टुकड़ा है. बट वो शूट करना एक्चुअली बहुत मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज यू आर ईटिंग फ्रॉम 7 o'clock in the morning till night एंड आप रात तक बस खाते ही जा रहे हैं. बट फिर भी आदित्य था, अनुपम सर थे, विद whom I got along really well. तो बहुत मज़ा आया हम तीनों को शूट करने. आई होप वो आपको पिक्चर में भी दिखे.
हमें पता चला है कि आप अम्बाला से बिलोंग करती हैं, तो आपका ये दावत-ए-इश्क का जो सफ़र है अम्बाला नहीं जाएगा क्या?
आई एम तो डाइंग टू गो. दे शुड. आर वी गोइंग टू अम्बाला?
I'll let you know.
मार्केटिंग टीम कहाँ है? आई वुड लव टू गो. मतलब मेरी मम्मी को पता चलेगा आज तो डेफिनेटली मुझे आज रात को फ़ोन आने वाला है कि तुम लोग अम्बाला आ रहे हो कि नहीं.
If we're going then we should.
We have to go. We have to go. Come on.
इंडिया के मैप में फेमस हो जाएगा.
है ना?
बिल्कुल.
Hi Aditya. Hi Parineeti. Here.
Hi.
Hi. This is Pratishtha. I wanted to ask that is this your first road trip or have you done other crazy road trips? Not on the professional front per se, but maybe.
Yeah, I've done a couple of road trips actually. and they're a lot of fun. Why are you laughing at my? I say I've done a number of roads, and they're laughing at me. Seriously, yeah? I've been on a couple of road trips, and they're a lot of fun. The ones that I've been for haven't ever been planned, and I think that's the fun of it, where you just go and you stay as many days as you want, wherever you want, and it gives you the chance to suddenly take a detour, suddenly stop where you want. It really gives you a sense of freedom, and you're in control of your destiny and your trip completely. It's all in your hands. The place, of course, it's ideal to go to a place where your roads are good, so that you're not going through that's the fun of it. Like driving in potholes is not going to be fun at all. That we get enough of that in Bombay. So I think the roads to where we are going are good as well. So it's excited about that. And this time it's going to be double the fun, yeah, because there's food involved, and that is the best thing.
हाँ, मैं खुद 2-3 ट्रिप्स कर चुकी हूँ, बट वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा प्लान्ड थी इस रोड ट्रिप से भी, क्योंकि वी न्यू एग्जैक्टली वेयर वी वर स्टॉपिंग व्हेन. लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आई थिंक वी आर जस्ट गोना लीव, एंड देन जहाँ पर भी हम लोग रात तक पहुँचे, वी आर गोना स्टे देयर, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे वील गेट अप एंड वील जस्ट लीव. सो वी आर गोना लाइक काइंड ऑफ लीव थिंग्स टू चांस, विच इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग. बट आई हैव बीन ऑन रोड ट्रिप्स एंड इट वॉज वेरी कूल, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं होता है आप रात तक कहाँ पहुँचेंगे, आप कहाँ पे लंच करेंगे, कहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. इट्स रियली कूल. मतलब और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता है बट टू जस्ट कीप ड्राइविंग. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू ड्राइव ऑल्सो एक्चुअली, as opposed to
I'm
some
not excited
people
about
who
driving.
think that girls can't drive.
I don't want
I will be driving a lot on this trip.
I don't want to find out the hard way that girls can't drive. So let's see. We'll
You will be sitting in that car with me and you will see my talent.
take a sleeping pill.
Okay, so last dawat to you all. Please, if anybody wants to join, you're more than welcome. Please join us in this crazy trip. We also don't have any idea where we're going, but otherwise, see you on September 19th.
Thank you all for coming. Yeah,
Thank
thanks
you
a lot.
guys. Thank you. Thank you.